Kamla praised the CJ for seeking to reduce the waiting time for cases in an overburdened court system. If the preliminary inquiry bill is passed in Parliament, she said it will ease up the backlog. And she's also supporting the reduction in the speaking time in Parliament. Melissa Dasrath has more.
The Prime Minister said case backlogs are slowing down the justice system. And she praised the Chief Justice, Ivor Archie, for taking steps to speed up the process. Last Friday, the judiciary released an official statement concerning the delivery of judgments. It stated that by March 31, 2014, all decisions outstanding for more than 12 months at that date will be delivered. By July 30, 2014, all decisions outstanding for more than 6 months at that date will be delivered. Prime Minister Kamla said expediting court matters to ensure completion in a reasonable time is a welcome change.
I have not received any letter, no. I've been reading on the newspaper, but I have not received. I cannot say my office may have received, but I have not received it. But I do commend the Honourable Chief Justice for taking steps and trying to deal with delays.
Mrs. Prasad-Basesa acknowledged that more can be done legislatively to ensure swift justice. And she said it's time to bring the preliminary inquiry bill back into focus.
I think we are all concerned with delays in the administration of justice, but I want to commend the Honourable Chief Justice who summoned his judges together, gave them some deadlines, some timelines and so on, and steps taken to speed up the system of justice. The other matters that we can help with, which is on the legislative scale. You remember the infamous preliminary inquiry bill that we had brought to the Parliament, which remains yet unproclaimed. It is something we want to look at again, because that could help to deal with some of the backlog in the magistrates' courts by removing PIs and doing paper committals and so on.
As for the proposed reduction in the speaking time of parliamentarians from 75 minutes to 30 minutes, the Prime Minister said is a step in the right direction.
I believe we talk too much sometimes in Parliament, and there's a famous saying, say it in 6. And there are some of the view you can't say it in 6 minutes, then it's not worth listening, because time span, attention spans. In other legislatures, in other parliaments, their speaking time is much shorter than our 75 minutes. But it is before the House Committee, and it will be discussed and debated as well.
She said these measures are aimed at making the judicial and legislative process more efficient and effective. Melissa Dasrath,